Hi, I'm Robin Steinberg. Welcome to my show again. We are now here at the STGCC 2012 and we have a very special guest, Lisa Lee. She is the artist herself and she's all the way from Malaysia. And we're going to find out more about her work and her life as an artist. And so let's turn to Lisa. Lisa, welcome to my show.
Hi, nice to meet you.
So tell me something. This is a great painting. Well, everybody's wondering, when you first start having this inspiration to do such great work?
Actually, this painting is depicted when I was studying in UK, which is on my portfolio. So basically, when I landed in UK, it really inspired me with the environment, the people, the culture around me. So when you see the painting, it's much more romantic and much more refreshing and eye-catching. And that's what inspired me.
So who would be your mentors that actually guide you in creating the character?
One of my professors in university. Yes, give me a lot of art directions and a lot of branding activities and how can we actually convert a flat piece of illustration into a marketing platform and how we brand it in the industry.
Now, before we let you go, I mean, how did you cultivate innovation and creative work? I mean, everybody's asking about how to be creative. So what is your perception of creative?
Creative is really abstract knowledge, but I think it's more of how is the environment influences people that we mix with and how we actually see the wonderful world and how we carry ourselves. When we are living positive and then we tend to think differently and it actually inspires of how we created our world.
Oh wow. Now, so most of your work is actually inspired through your travels, I take it.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So what would be your next work right now? And how long did this work actually take you, to be developed?
I did this about 2 years ago. So after this series, like next year, I'll be flying out to Paris and we'll come out another series, which is like a journey of Lisa, which is my character.
Oh, okay. And so what do you call her?
Lisa.
So Lisa.
Lisa.
Okay.
She's a red hair lady with.
So there's Lisa. So folks, please do check out her work, and her website is www.lison.com.my. And and hey, you never know. You might be the next artist. And Lisa, what is your perspective and advice for aspiring artists? I mean, to give 3 points of those who want to start trying their hand in art.